Making granola at home is one of the easiest things to do, and what I like to do is put my oats, add pumpkin seed, and then add my sunflower seeds. Then for the spices, I use cinnamon, cardamom, 2 teaspoons each, and then I use a little bit of ginger, nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of salt, and then mix. I like homemade because I can put anything that I want and I control what's going in there. I go with 1 cup of vegetable oil and then half a cup of honey as my sweetener. So the thing is, I am allergic to nuts, and I found that every time I buy granola from the store, I have to pick out the nuts. So I figured making it at home will help solve this issue. And then I have my baking sheet lined up with the foil to just prevent it from having like all this mess sticking on it, and then put it in 200 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 minutes and turn after every 10 minutes. And here is my cooked granola, and I was doing this to just make sure it's separated, and then cooled it off, added my raisins, and now I'm ready to store it. So I put it in these tins, and I have a whole week. Okay, we are the 2 of us in the house, so I have a whole week supply of daily granola. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe.